When my family made the transition towards higher consciousness, we refused to let dal, beans and chutney become our staple food. Our love for Indian flavors, coupled with exotic tastes from around the world, gave birth to a new style of vegetarian cooking in our home, and I'm delighted to share these delicious recipes from my conscious cooking kitchen to yours. Welcome to another conscious cooking segment with me, Anuradha. So I've just come back from Mumbai recently where I enjoyed a wrap with paneer and salsa. And today I'm going to show you my take on this with another well-loved cheese, and that's halloumi with some fresh condiments. So for this wrap, I'm using a whole wheat tortilla, which is a Mexican flatbread. But an alternative to this is obviously a nice good whole wheat roti. So we'll begin by lightly toasting our tortilla because a crisp tortilla tastes best. And while that is toasting away, we can just chop up a few more of what we're going to be using in our wrap. And I'm going to put in some avocado that will add some really nice creaminess. Okay, so our tortilla is nicely toasted. It's got a nice crispness about it. So we'll take it out and we'll start assembling our wrap. So here I have already pan fried some halloumi because I like to do it ahead of time so that it's not hot. It must be quite cool. And what I'm going to do with this halloumi is I'm going to be dipping it in a quick ready-made sauce that's going to be made of some sweet chili and some egg-free mayonnaise. It's very easy, and we're going to mix it up together. And of course you can adjust how much of sweet chili and mayonnaise you want to this. And then we're going to first start by putting in our shredded lettuce. I'm using iceberg lettuce here because it's nice crunchy lettuce. And I've got rocket because rocket gives a lovely pungent flavor to our wrap. And I'm going to add in another crunchy element, which is some pretty red pepper. And now we're going to dip in our halloumi in this lovely quick sauce that we've made. Smother it out nicely because this is what's going to give a lot of flavor to our wrap. Make sure you have enough halloumi so that you get a lovely piece of halloumi in every bite of your wrap. And then we'll continue layering this. I've got some olives and some pepper dews because we all love homegrown pepper dew. It adds a nice savory sweetness to anything we do. And there's nothing wrong with adding a little bit more cheese. So we're going to add some feta. And we're going to finish off with some creamy avocado that will bring it all together in a yummy, delicious way. And we're going to season it now with a little bit of black pepper and salt. And just for good measure, I'm going to just drizzle on a little bit more of the sauce that we made, so that we have quite a sumptuous wrap. And now I'm going to wrap it all up. A tight roll, close together, and around and over, and try to stuff all your stuffing back in so that you don't lose any of it. And then we just slice it so that it's easy to eat, and we plate it. And we serve it with a little bit more of this nice sauce in the side, as well as a lovely green salad with all that leftover crunchy vegetables that we had. And there you have a crunchy, wholesome wrap that's served with a delicious, healthy green salad.